Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the Kospet Tank S1, and this time we are going to check one of its features. So it has support for Bluetooth call as well as SMS and app notifications, as you can see here. Okay, so here on our box, so it says it has a support for Bluetooth calling with one switch. So we are going to check on that. We will have a demo, okay, and see if how the Bluetooth call as well as push notification works with the Kospet Tank S1. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, especially on the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we are already paired here with the Kospet Fit smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, we are connected and we have 68% battery life. So before we can activate our Bluetooth call, or before we can use our Bluetooth call, let's check first the settings here. Okay, do we have to set some settings? Enable Bluetooth call function. Okay, go to set Bluetooth, step 3. Okay, so let's see. Go to set tank, no media, active phone. So let's tap on it. Seems like everything is okay here. Already set when we paired our smartwatch. Okay, going back again. So disable Bluetooth call function, sync contacts. Okay, let's try this one. Synchronization process, open the app, address book function, select contacts up to 70 people. Confirm selection, the import is complete. Okay, contacts, let's see. And let's not select this one. Okay, so it says we have to import. Okay, import 100% finish, sync. Okay, so let's tap on the call, contacts, and we have here the phone. Very easy. Okay, I like the setup here or the options. Call reminder. Okay, call reminder is activated here. Reject a call with a key. Delayed reminder. Okay, will not delay it. SMS reminder. Okay, it's already activated. App reminder turned on. Okay, so this one, if something is wrong, you can set this. Okay, WhatsApp is activated, Facebook, okay, and Messenger. Okay, so seems like everything's okay. So let's check newest version. We have a new version. Okay, so we have the newest version. Okay, seems like everything's okay. So let's check. Okay, we have our other phone here. Okay, let's go first with the WhatsApp application. Okay, so we've used this before with other smartwatches and it works. So let's try with this one. Hello, Kospet. Wait, okay, Kospet Tank S1. Okay, so let's send a message. Is it a real time or there's a delay? Okay, we receive here. And yes, that's it. Okay, just see, just a few second delay. So far we have here, hello, Kospet Tank S1. So you have an option to remove it or to delete it. And there's a personalized icon. Okay, going back. Okay, if you want to check the message, just swipe. Okay, let's have another one. We'll see if the message here, the previous message, will still remain. Okay, another. another message. Okay, so there's a vibration. Okay, and the message pops up. Okay, it shows right away. So we have here a the name of the messenger or the name of the sender. Okay, because we already added the phone number in our support app. We already synchronized the phone number in our support app. Okay, going back, so we can store several messages here. Okay, with the time, the sender, the name of the sender, and the message, with the option to remove the message. Okay, so far it works. Let's check with the SMS. Okay, going back, we have received some spam messages here. Okay, SMS for Kospet Tank S1 smartwatch. Okay, again, let's see. Let's send a message, SMS. Okay, okay, so SMS for Kospet Tank S1 smartwatch. So it has a different icon for the SMS, as you can see here. Okay, gone back. Okay, so far so good, as you can see here. Okay, everything goes smoothly with the SMS as well as app notifications. Go back. Okay, so next, let's check about our Bluetooth call. Okay, so let's call the number here and let's see if we'll receive a call notification. Okay, we are dialing the number. Wow, nice, very loud sound. Okay, you have an option to deny the calls or answer the calls. And the call. Okay, I'm interested in the calls here. Okay, let's go to the settings. So far it works, as you can see. Okay, but I am interested whether we can change the volume of the music or the, yes, we have it here, ringtone, media audio, vibration strength, so you can change to high, low. Okay, sport, oh no, we don't have an option for that. Okay, but so far the sound is very loud. Okay, only the vibration you can change. Disturb, raise to wake, so this one is the only option. Sound settings, either you can activate or you don't want to receive one, or you don't want to you want the message or the push notifications to be silent. Okay, non-intrusive. Okay, so there's no option, but so far the sound or the volume of the ringtone is very loud. I like it. Okay, next, let's check for the quality of the Bluetooth call. Okay, let's answer here on our smartwatch. Let's call it again. Okay, I'm going to answer. Hello. Okay, you have a volume. You can adjust the volume here. Okay, hello. So this is the speaker here, or the mic. Okay, speaker, and let's set end. Okay, so very clear so far. Okay, it has a quality Bluetooth call. So let's see here our call history. Okay, as you can see here, we have a call, we have a missed call, we have dial pad, we have contacts. Let's use the contacts. Let's call this one. Okay, can we receive it here? As you can see here, it works. Dial pad. Let's check the dial pad. Okay, what's the number? Contacts. Okay, 09 69 61 09 69 61 58399. It's now calling. Okay, so the dial pad works, and you can answer it here if you want to answer the call. Okay, so let's see. I answer the call. Bye. Okay, so everything works without any issues for the push notifications, particularly the SMS and app notifications, as well as the Bluetooth call works for the Kospet Tank S1. Very loud volume. I like the volume. Okay, and there's an option for the increase in sound with the speaker, as well as for the microphone. Okay, and it can store several messages here. You can read it directly or delete it here on the smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for the Bluetooth call feature of the Tank S1 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, particularly the push and call functions, Bluetooth call functions of the Kospet Tank S1, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.